Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the LED watch has at least 20% charge and is powered on. That prevents interruptions. Press the primary mode button to wake the display, then hold it for 3 seconds to enter time set mode. If your model hides a reset, use a small tool gently in the pinhole. Do this because some LED watches require hardware reset before software time changes will stick. Once you see the hour flashing, you're ready to set the time precisely. Now you adjust the hours by pressing the increment button. Each press advances 1 hour, and holding it speeds up selection. This saves time if the watch lacks quick scroll. Once hours are correct, press the mode button to move to minutes, then fine-tune in 1-minute steps so the seconds remain aligned with a reference clock. If your watch supports AM/PM or a 24-hour toggle, switch it now. This avoids future 12-hour offset errors. Make sure each press registers by confirming a visible flash or beep. Finish by exiting settings to save changes. Usually a long press or cycling modes does this, and you should watch the display for 1 minute to confirm stability. If the watch reverts or the time drifts, perform a hardware reset, then repeat the setting steps because residual memory errors are common in LED modules. If issues persist, replace the battery. Weak voltage causes uneven brightness and timekeeping errors. If all else fails, consult model-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.